Hello, students. Welcome to RJ Aura classes. This is day one of our free Foundation Biology series. If you are scared of biology or feel confused, this class is for you. This series is helpful for school students from class 9 to 12 and also for NEET beginners who want strong basics. Many students think biology is about memorizing, but the real problem is weak concepts, not memory. In RJ Aura classes, we focus on concepts first. When concepts are clear, confidence comes automatically. Biology is the study of life. It helps us understand how living organisms function, grow, and survive. Once you understand this, biology becomes logical, not scary. You don't have to be a topper to succeed. You only need regular practice and the right guidance. This is a free foundation series. Attend a few classes, understand the teaching, and then decide about continuing. Thank you for learning with us.